All right, class. So everybody go ahead and put away your math notebooks. We're getting ready to do science, okay? Let's put those away. All right. So real quick, last class we talked about the 4 different layers of the Earth. So who can remind me, what is the first layer? After Earth we have, yes, Lydia? The troposphere. Excellent, good job. Okay, who else knows the next layer? The stratosphere. That's right, George. Okay. What about the 3rd layer? The mesosphere. And the 4th layer? The thermosphere. That's right. So, having said that, those are the 4 different layers of Earth. Who remembers where the ozone layer is located? Which sphere was that? The stratosphere. That's right. So, this lesson today, we're going to go a little bit deeper and talk a little bit more about the ozone layer. So here, for example, we have a model of the Earth. This is a model of the Earth. And when you think about it, we have those different layers. So here we have the Earth, of course, the troposphere, then we have the stratosphere. The ozone layer is like a protection to keep the Earth from overheating from the sun. But the problem that we have now today, as we speak, October 21st, 2022, the sun, not only the sun is warming the Earth. And the reason why it's warming the Earth is because our ozone layer is being depleted slowly but surely. Yes, it's a really, really scary phenomenon. So not only, I'm being affected by it, you are being affected by it. When you have children and grandchildren, they will be affected by it as well. Because the thing is, we have to protect our Earth. And how does this happen? Why is the ozone layer being depleted? Why is it, disappearing slowly but surely? It's disappearing because of the human activities that we're doing on Earth. Too much pollution, such as, driving cars and pollution from the factory. Those type of things. So that's why we have to take care of our Earth. And today that's what we're going to be talking about. Recycling, reducing, and reusing different materials. That way you don't have to produce more and affect our Earth, like with pollution from the factory, like I said, and also with the cars. So let's go ahead. I want us to listen to this story called Here We Are. Okay, we'll just listen to it. Okay.
We're glad you found us, as space is very big. There is much to see and do here on Earth. So let's get started with a quick tour. The planet is basically made up of 2 parts: land, rock and dirt, sea, water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's what we are standing on right now. We know lots about the land. Then there is the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a bit about the sea, but we'll talk some more about that once you've learned to swim. There is also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated.
Okay, so we're finished with our story. Awesome. So what do you think? This is our Earth. We have an obligation to take care of it, of course. So that's why we're here to focus on reducing our carbon footprint. Once again, our carbon footprint is the way we contribute to the depletion of the ozone layer. So by using more electricity or polluting the air, we have to make sure we're reducing those things. We could also, and this is a flyer, so we're going to go ahead and look at this flyer right here. We have different options of helping to reduce our carbon footprint. So number 1, we can live car free. We don't have to take a car. We can just walk. Yeah, I know when I was in Belize, they have what they call BMW. It's called Better Me Walking. That's what it's called, BMW, Better Me Walking. Meaning you can walk to different places because the fuel there was so high, it's like $8 a gallon. So yes, that's one of the options. We can live car free. Number 2, battery electric car. 3, 1 less long haul flight per year. 4, renewable energy. 5, public transportation. We have refurbishing or renovating our homes. Like, how many of you have solar panels on your homes? Yes, this is a way we can use the solar panel. So we can use the energy from the sun. That way we're not using as much electricity. Okay, a vegan diet, not eating meat. I know that's a really hard one for me. I tried a vegan diet before and I just can't do it for long term. A heating pump, improved cooking equipment, and renewable based heating. Okay, so what I want you to do, we're going to have a discussion. That's right, we're going to have a discussion. So everybody will come to the carpet, and I want us to choose the least thing. Just choose the top one for you. What would you like to do, number 1? And we're going to think about why would we choose this one as the best way to reduce our carbon footprint and why. Okay? So now, moving right along after our discussion, we'll have a chance now to work in our groups. So after, reading a bit of the chapter, we're going to have some groups do, one group, they'll be over here with me in small group. One of you will also do the writing center. The instructions are already left over there for you, so you can go ahead and read them yourself. The other group, they will be participating in the sorting. You'll do sorting. So each group will have 20 minutes to work in their respective centers, okay? So while I'm at small group, please do not bother me. I have to work with the students. All right, so go ahead, let's get that done, and we'll finish up with the lesson later on, okay?